Alright, I think this is the best I can do with an angle and cleaning it up. I don't have anything to mount it above, so this is what it is. So I had a G9 Neo, and basically I was waiting for a sale, and I got the sale. The only reason why I was waiting for the sale is because I got a G9 Neo originally, but I had the dead pics anyway. So I can't be using just one monitor day-to-day productivity and stuff. It just isn't working. So I got another monitor. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. So basically this is a Lenovo. Is that visible? Yep. So this is a FreeSync Premium Lenovo LED monitor, 1440p, 165 Hz type thing. So we're just gonna open this up, second monitor. So this is what I'm gonna be using. And if I mount them both on arms, or I'll keep them on stands, it's just that I could get a regular G9 and then have two 1440p panels put together. But then there's gonna be new 16:9 4K panels coming, 1440p panels. I like the G9, but like just don't like that if I have an issue, like I have to pay a lot, and I'm like iffy. Like I like it, but like I wouldn't play a PS5 game on it. Like I don't like it that much. It doesn't look good. So, but for work and stuff, like I need more monitors. My bad. Let me just ignore that. I'm looking for a blade. I don't remember where I put one. Alright, no, this is what that fancy guy does. I got this as a gift. So, like that. You have to be very delicate. Don't cut yourself. Don't hurt yourself. You know what I mean? Turn this around. I'm gonna peel off this sticker that has the address. We're gonna cut this open. Now I'm gonna close this blade safely. Put this away, because nobody should get hurt. You gotta be safe. I had to set up this monitor regardless. I was gonna set up with the other room. Anyway, so here's the monitor. Close up this box. Alright, now I'm going to build the monitor stand. I don't really need instructions. This goes into this. Alright, then you have this headphone clamp thing. I don't know where it goes. I assume it goes on the back of this. This stand looks very tacky. I mean, it's super cheap. From $800 in 2017 to this, pretty good value. Now, I'm going to be doing this on my bed, so give me a second. Actually, we're just gonna move this here so you can still see what's happening. Alright, this is the panel. Put it gently. Now we're gonna attach this like this right here. You have to line up the screws. It doesn't latch in like, you know, the Dell or the Alienware ones. And if somebody's gonna ask me what is the warranty on this monitor, I mean, Lenovo says 3 years, but realistically, I don't plan on ever selling this. It's gonna be like a monitor I pretty much just keep for life. If my mom needs something, then the same thing. Or if somebody comes over, this is my monitor that I can loan somebody to use. So I'm gonna set up these screws and tighten this as much as I can. Get my screwdriver. 1 second. Cross thread the screws. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Okay. There you go. That's what it looks like. And we're gonna set this back up over here. So this is the whole view. And we're gonna take this, put this monitor. It's pretty light, just like this. Buttons are on the top right. Buttons on this are on the right as well. Okay. And yeah, I mean, pretty thin, FreeSync Premium, whatever. I don't like using a 360 Hertz at all. It's just, I mean, I know it gets more frames in games, but like, I just can't play a game at that resolution. It looks so bad. I do have to hook this up. And I have to go get myself my other DisplayPort cable. I'm gonna move the camera to point at my desktop. It's very messy, so spin this around. Okay, boys and girls, we're back. It's set up. I could not find the second 5-meter DisplayPort 1.4 cable that I have. The cable matters, and I searched everywhere, I really did. And I thought about running, you know, the dual monitor 1440p setup to save money. But I'm not gonna do it because I have that other Ergotron HX arm there, and I loved the Neo, I really did. And unfortunately I missed the sale on Samsung.com, and the only price difference between both of them from a regular G9 to a Neo is about $723, and I know that is going to eat at me. This camera looks better in the 1x zoom. I hope this is sufficient for you guys. If it isn't, I apologize. I'm gonna be ordering a better camera. Anyway, let's turn this off. Button I don't have my calibrator. It's plugged in. It's not working. It's not turning on. Oh my god. I bought a broken monitor. Oh no. So yeah, I got the monitor to work. The cable wasn't inserted completely, like properly. I'm trying to turn it off. It's the top button. My bad. It's the bottom button. Basically, just click the bottom button. Turns on. Honestly, looks like a good panel. It works. Gonna go through the settings. Try to. Don't forget to set the refresh rate to what the monitor refresh rate is supposed to be. 165 hertz. We're gonna max this out. 10-bit color, full supply. Let's go, baby. 165 hertz, 10-bit color. You know what? This monitor actually looks good. Oh, 10-bit doesn't work. Okay. Should be the same settings. I can't launch that application because it has private information. YouTube. I'm not signed into this browser. It's what normal people watch, not what I watch. Try 20 steakhouse chains. But yeah, this looks pretty good, honestly. I've gone through the settings. I have to close this. I don't know why. The monitor looks good.
僕は呪術高専でリカちゃんの呪いを解きます。誰にも見せぬ自分を持ってだった理解できる。モブ君モブ君飛んでくることもない。唐突に異世界に転校。世界一のストライク、世界一のエゴイストでなければ世界一のストライカーにはなれない。己のゴールを何よりも喜びとし、ゴールの瞬間、そのためだけに生きる。それがストライカーでしょ。俺はこのブルーロックで生まれ変わる。世界一のストライカーになるのは俺だ。テレビアニメブルーロック2022年放送。
Yeah, I mean the monitor works. It looks good, honestly. It looks really good. It's a really nice monitor. It's a damn shame that I won't use it. This one has no value. It's a really good monitor, honestly. Like, seriously. I mean it. That one, the Nano IPS, I don't like watching anime on it. I don't know what's wrong with the colors. I don't like that panel. I don't know what's wrong with it. There's something wrong. I've changed the settings. I don't like it, actually. Like, I don't like these Alienware monitors. I don't like the 360 Hz, and I don't like that. I really don't. This looks good. I mean, it's not kind of for like $100. It's cheap, dude. That's nothing. It's a good monitor. I won't go back to 165 Hz, but like, dude, it's a really good monitor for one monitor. If I was doing like, if I didn't need a lot of monitors, yeah. But the new monitors that are coming, Like, you'll just get this with zones, you know, 586 zones. Everything will be like an iPad. I'm gonna wrap up the video, but that is basically it. This is the monitor, and I'm gonna set this up in another room just in case I ever have to actually use it. But I'm actually really happy with this. It's not bad. I am gonna be getting rid of that, and I am really happy with the Neo here. And I want to put Hue bars on the back of it, my little portable monitor beneath it, and use that setup. Then if I want to get, you know, another thing, I will. But I want to keep this area clean for doing video stuff and, you know, doing stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you. Peace.